Hey folks, welcome back to another video. If you run a Shopify store, you know how things start small. A few orders, a handful of products. But once your store grows, data gets messy and orders, products, inventory, customer info gets scattered across exports and reports. What if you could skip this entire process of manual exporting and cleaning and instead get your Shopify data directly into Google Sheets, always up to date and ready for analysis? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that using Sheetgo Shopify to Sheet integration in under 5 minutes. So let's get started. At first, exporting a CSV for orders or products works fine, but once you have hundreds or thousands of orders, multiple sales channels, and variant products, exporting becomes a chore. Shopify's built-in reports help, but they don't always match the format your accountant's marketing team or analytics team needs. That's where Sheetgo comes in. Within a few clicks, you can automatically export your data. We are going to start off by going to Sheetgo. You can get started with the link in the description, and the first thing that we're going to be doing is clicking on New and Blank Workflow. Once you are here, Sheetgo gives you a couple of different ways in which you can get started with your workflow. One is by typing your workflow or automation in natural language and let AI create it for you. Other than that, you can choose from pre-ready-made ones. But for this particular video, you can choose from the recommended popular templates. But for now, we're going to be clicking on create a workflow. And I'm going to be clicking on add to workflow and clicking on automation. Once we are in here, we need to specify our source, which in this case is going to be Shopify. So I'm going to click on Shopify. Whenever you're doing it for the first time, you will need to authorize it. So what we're going to be doing here is heading back to Shopify, going to our online store and clicking on view your store. And the link that we get here is what we're going to be using here for the store link. So we need to connect and then authorize Sheetgo to access our data. So I'm going to specify the store link here and click on connect account. Once you are done authenticating and authorizing Sheetgo to access your Shopify store, you can now select the data you'd like to retrieve. So here you can see you have multiple data options to pick from. That is the data you'd like to import from Shopify into your Google Sheets using Sheetgo. So in this case, we're going to be fetching our products. And if you go back to your Shopify store, this is where your products are going to be visible. So this is what I would like to fetch from Shopify. And I would like to create a simple Google Sheet that contains all the products I have listed on Shopify. So I'm going to click on next step, where now we need to select the destination, that is where is the extracted data from Shopify going to be stored. So it's going to be a Google Sheet. In case you have an existing file that contains related data, you can always click on existing file, click select file and search for the file that you'd like to add the tab to. In case you don't have that, you can always create a new file, give it a name, which in this case I'm going to say Shopify products database. You can even change the root folder, that is where the file is going to be stored. You can always change the destination folder and you can always give a name to the tab. Once you're done with all of this, click on review automation. Here you can see first your data is imported from Shopify and then transferred to a Google Sheet that is created using Sheetgo. If you're looking for automatic updates, that Sheetgo will automatically go and fetch the data from Shopify and update it into Sheets, you can always click on enable automatic updates. That basically allows you to customize the settings for the workflow trigger. So you can either make it run on a schedule based on a form submission or on a workflow run. But for now, we're going to be selecting based on a schedule. You can select the frequency of the imports you would like to do, followed by selecting a particular time, selecting the day and a particular time zone that you're comfortable with. And once you're done, you can click on save and it automatically gets updated. For now, we're not going to be adding it, but we're going to come out here and click on finish and run. And here you can see the workflow execution has finished successfully. Now you can view your imported data in a couple of different ways. One is basically going to sheets.google.com and opening up your new spreadsheet, or opening it up inside of Sheetgo's interface. Here you can see on successful execution, we have imported our data from Shopify into our Google Sheets. There was no copy pasting, no CSV exports, there's no manual work in it, just specifying the store, selecting the data that you'd like to import and click on run. If you run a Shopify store and are tired of the manual exports, give this workflow a shot. To get started, you can check out the link in the description and you can check out the blog link too. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.